video you're watching is sponsored by Surfshark. Thank you, Surfshark, for supporting my channel, and let's get into it.
It's allergy season. Ugh. All right, here we go. Granite Creek. This is where you go to run. Turnagain Creek. Oh my God. I know it's not quite steep enough. Just need a little steeper. Whoa! Deep hole. Oh, here we are. This is Turnagain Creek right here. Lion Creek is right over there. They're going to converge together and form Granite Creek right under the highway. So we're going to paddle under the highway through a culvert and go get into the run. Obviously not a lot of water right here, but as soon as they meet up, there'll be more water. So hot out. It's probably 70 degrees today. Hopefully there's no ice bridges around this corner. So I've never paddled under the highway up here. Hopefully we can fit through this culvert. We're about to come around the corner and find out here. If it doesn't look good, we're gonna have to jump out as quick as we can. Looks like we can fit through if there's no wood. Yep, I'm gonna follow you through.
Right one?
Yep, I'll go right one. I'll be right behind you, I'll follow you. Woo. Like a water slide. This isn't too bad. It's not as low as I thought it'd be. Yeah, there'll probably be a lot of branches and stuff, but you should be all right. Yeah, so for those of you guys that have not seen one of those, that is an alpaca raft. It's called a pack raft, and they're just super light, super tough, inflatable one-man boats. Yeah, they're really cool. You can run really crazy whitewater in them or paddle really mellow stuff. And the back tube of it, it's got that big zipper in the back, so you can open that zipper and put all of your camping gear inside of the actual tubes. So it's like a giant dry bag, the whole thing. Pretty cool. And that keeps your center of gravity low, and then if you flip, your gear can't come out of the boat because it's literally inside the tubes. Cool design. Oh, you're gonna get stuck. It's shallow. A lot of these Alaskan rivers are always changing, and it's all this gravel bar style stuff. Usually if you aim for the outside bend, the water's deeper, like this inside bend shallower there, because the water just kind of pushes the outside bend and scours all the rocks out of the way. You know what's crazy is this basically June now, and there is a ton of snow. It's literally all the way down to the river. There's even like ice banks in the river. And over here to the right, this is all Turnagain Pass, where you see a lot of the snow machining videos I've done in the past. And it's still open to sleds right now. And this side of the road, this is like the left side of the highway going south. This is all just skiing only, so no motorized vehicles over there. So people basically hike up these mountains and get their ski lines in. You can tell it's looking sketchy now though. You can see all the big avalanches and slides up there. So it's starting to break loose. There's definitely an abnormal amount of snow for this time of year. The good news is we're gonna have plenty of water. You totally don't need it. It's super nice out.
I'm like really hot actually.
I know.
Like when I was struggling to get my skirt back on in that one spot, and I was just getting like hot and frustrated, and I was just like,
So Granite Creek here is probably, I'd say it's one of the better beginner runs in Alaska if you're in the Anchorage Bowl area. Just because it's kind of low volume, really manageable whitewater, nothing too crazy, kind of class 1, 2, and it's got a lot of challenging twisty turns. So it's just a lot of, it's really good practice for maneuvering really when you're beginning. And since it's low volume, the consequences are, you know, they're there, but they're fairly low.
Oh, well, hey there. Let's take a quick break from the video and talk about Surfshark for a moment, shall we? So Surfshark VPN is a virtual private network, and a virtual private network keeps your identity safe by essentially encrypting all the information in between your device and the internet, which in turn keeps all your personal data safe from big companies, cyber criminals, hackers, stuff like that. The reason I use a VPN is because I do most of my video uploads for YouTube in really public free Wi-Fi places like libraries and coffee shops, which are basically the most susceptible places to getting hacked. Before I had a VPN, I was hacked and they broke in and got my password to several of my online social media accounts, and it made it a real hassle to get them back open again. So if you guys would like to relax a little bit more and not worry about your security or identity being stolen or your passwords or accounts getting hacked into, I encourage you to join me on the Surfshark train. If you use the promo code TRUCKHOUSE, you'll get an 83% discount and your first 3 months free. And Surfshark also offers a 30-day money-back guarantee, so if you don't like it, don't worry, you don't have to pay for it. If you guys are interested, I'll leave a link in the description of this video and you can check it out for yourself. Anyhow, thanks for sponsoring the video, guys, and let's get back to the show.
Little Eddie here, Whirlpool Eddie.
hey!
Hey! Yeah, Eddie practice, good Eddie hopping. You can pretty much just ferry in this one. Ooh, low bridge. I think we got it though. Little duck. Oh, whoa, 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 whoa. Oh, whoa, whoa. Hey. Ah. Whoa. Danger. Yeah, traditionally, this bend right here is the one that usually has a river-wide log jam. Let's see. What's going on? Guess the log jam's gone this year. Nice. Yeah, it's usually like there every year. Ooh, I might catch this Eddie. Well, that's a wrap, y'all. I do hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, make sure to smash that like button and subscribe to the channel if you'd like to see more of my content, and we will see you on the next video. Peace, y'all.